We're going to talk about 5 powerful herbs that can help you keep your family healthy, strong, and vibrant. These aren't just ordinary herbs. They're nature's powerhouses, packed with nutrients and antioxidants that work wonders for your body. Whatever your health goals are, these herbs have got you covered. Herb 1. Ginger. Ginger is a versatile herb with a long history of use in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medical literature. Gingerols, shogales, and paradols are the primary active components of ginger. It's rich in micronutrients such as vitamin C, B6, magnesium, potassium, copper, manganese, fiber, and water. These give ginger its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Benefits: 1. Soothes upset stomachs. 2. Relieves pain. 3. Reduces nausea. 4. Boosts immunity. How to use: 1. Add fresh ginger root to stir-fries, soups, and curries. 2. Steep fresh or dried ginger root in hot water for a warming and soothing beverage. Dosage: 170 milligrams to 1 g of ginger powder daily is recommended. Type ginger power in the comments if you like ginger. Herb 2. Turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice, is the second incredible herb. Did you know that India produces nearly all of the world's turmeric crop and consumes 80% of it? Turmerones, which are volatile oils that are responsible for its smell, and curcuminoids, a potent compound responsible for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Benefits: 1. Helps with inflammatory diseases like asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. 2. Improves brain function. 3. Boosts immunity. 4. May help prevent certain cancers. How to use: 1. Add turmeric powder to curries, rice dishes, and soups. 2. Mix turmeric powder, ginger, and other spices with warm milk for a soothing and healing drink. Herb 3. Garlic. Garlic, a mighty herb, is a natural antibiotic and antifungal agent. The main active ingredient in garlic is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that gives garlic its smell and taste. It's also rich in antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Benefits: 1. Helps you with blood glucose levels. 2. Fights fungal and bacterial infections. 3. Protects the heart and blood vessels. 4. Boosts immunity. 5. Reduces bad lipid levels. How to use: 1. Add cloves of garlic to your favorite dishes like pasta, soups, and stir-fries. 2. If you don't like the smell, try taking garlic supplements for its health benefits. Herb 4. Peppermint. The peppermint plant is a hybrid of spearmint and watermint. Its active ingredient is a volatile oil made up of more than 40 components, including menthol, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. Benefits: 1. Soothes digestive upset like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 2. Clears congestion in coughs and colds. 3. Relieves headaches and migraines. 4. Freshens breath. 5. Promotes relaxation. How to use: 1. Add fresh or dried peppermint leaves to teas, desserts, and cocktails. 2. Use peppermint essential oil in diffusers or topically for relaxation and relief. Add powdered herb 2 to 4 grams up to 4 cups of peppermint tea per day. 2 drops of peppermint oil in a steam bath to inhale. Up to 2 enteric-coated capsules containing 0.2 milliliters oil daily. Herb 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb which shows important clinical effects on mood, learning, memory, pain, anxiety, and sleep. The active components in rosemary are caffeic acid, carnosic acid, and chlorogenic acid, which possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumor, and other pharmacological activities. Type amazing in the comments if you're amazed like me. Benefits: 1. Boosts brain and neurological functions. 2. Improves memory and focus. 3. Used in folk medicine to alleviate nervous agitation, spasms, physical and mental fatigue, etc. How to use: 1. Add fresh or dried rosemary to roasted meats, soups, and stews. 2. Use rosemary essential oil in diffusers. or topically for relaxation and sharpened focus. Who should avoid these herbs? While these herbs are generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and drug interactions. 1. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Some herbs may not be safe for pregnant or breastfeeding women. 2. People with medical conditions. Individuals with diagnosed medical conditions should consult with their healthcare provider before using herbs. 3. Allergies. People with allergies to plants in the same family as these herbs should avoid them. By adding these 5 powerful herbs to your family meals, you can take a proactive approach to your health and well-being. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or supplement intake. Did you find this video informative and empowering? Please leave your questions or comments below. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel for more nutrition and health tips. What's your favorite herb? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below.